Hi guys, welcome back. I'm really excited to be with y'all today. I'm going to be working again with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette. No shocker, right? I use this every look now. But I have been getting tons of requests to do yellow, and because this has the most beautiful yellow that I've ever worked with, I was just like, you know what, I could go to a different palette, but I'm just gonna work with this one because this yellow is to die for. So I'm really excited. This is my third video and I'm kind of like getting used to being in front of the camera. At first it was kind of a struggle for me. I could tell I was camera shy. I was like stuttering. I say a lot, so I'm trying to fix it. But yesterday I got messaged by Chic Cosmetics, guys, and they asked permission to post one of my Pride looks on their page, and I literally had the biggest heart attack ever. I was seriously crying. That happened. They still haven't posted the picture, but I'm super excited for it to come because like this is just such an opportunity for me. I've only been doing my makeup Instagram for like a month and a half, like religiously posting on it, and so to get a big brand's attention in like a month and a half of doing it, I feel like that is just such an accomplishment. And I have gotten so many sweet messages and it's just kind of overwhelming, the support that I have. Being a part of the beauty community is honestly amazing. Everybody's so supportive and you get so much love from people that like you don't even know. They just have so much faith in your content and your artistic abilities that they just support you, and that blows my mind. Like, it's very overwhelming. But enough talking, let's get these brows done. So of course I'm gonna be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Taupe, which is my favorite thing to work with at the moment. Alright, now that we have our eyebrows done, we're gonna go ahead and prime our eye with the Anastasia eye primer, which is my favorite. Okay, and now that we have our eyes primed, we've got our eyebrows done, we're gonna go ahead and just jump into some color. So what I'm thinking for this look is to do something with probably the shade right here, Back Rolls, H.O.E and Inspire. So I'm thinking of using this one, and this one with the yellow. I want to do a cut crease because I live for cut creases. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do a cut crease. I'm just gonna go with my gut. Now, whenever I do cut creases, I really love the elongated eye look. That's why almost every look I do, I bring the wing of whatever it is out. So since Back Rolls is our darkest color, this one right here, we're gonna go ahead and put that one in first for the cut crease. And then we just wanna blend this out. Okay, and over Back Rolls, I think I'm just gonna go in with Brick Road, honestly. Just get like a nice hint of color up at the top. I really am. Okay, and now it is time to cut the crease, and we're gonna go in with the eye primer once more. colors to go in with first. Ugh, so many options, I'm overwhelmed. Okay, so I'm gonna start with headliner, where the crease is. Okay, now we're gonna go back in with Brick Road. Go in with H.O.E. and we're gonna put that like on the outer crease, kind of cut it up. Okay, and now I'm going to take Inspire, which is that beautiful gold. Just add it on this outside part, I guess. And we're just gonna reinforce a little bit more of H.O.E. So we're gonna go in and conceal underneath to sharpen up this wing, and we're gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Buff. I do need to get some more of this because I'm almost out. But luckily it's only like $4. We're gonna go back in with H.O.E. Actually, we're gonna use a little bit of back rolls and kind of bring it up a little bit. And then we're gonna use headliner in that inner corner. This really good pigment that I really only use for highlight, but it's from Smolder Cosmetics and Pixie Dust, and it is literally like the best ever. You're gonna think I'm exaggerating until you see this shit. Okay, so I always go in with this really concentrated circular brush. It's I'm pretty sure it came with one of my Naked palettes, but it literally just takes that and boom, we have got a beautiful highlight going. And I live for inner corner highlight. It just really pulls looks together when you have a pop of sparkle in the middle. It like accentuates your eyes, and whenever I do makeup I really try to accentuate my natural features. Get a flatter brush, something a little bit like this. This one also came in a Naked palette. Get a small amount of the pigment. Okay, now we just have to do our lashes. Lashes that I'm going to be using today are from Chic Cosmetics, and they are these beautiful, 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 bold, dramatic lashes in style Sassy. And I am also a promoter for this company, so I will be leaving my code, which is Michelle, and a link to their website in the description. I'm actually really excited about these lashes. They're a little bit chunkier than the ones I've worked with before, and this is my first time wearing them, so I'm super pumped about it. Alright, so we're going to use our Ardell Duo lash adhesive in the dark tone. And now let's let them dry for a little second. So I will be leaving a link in the description so that y'all can go check me out on Instagram. My Instagram is michelle.mua. But just so that y'all can get a little bit more, y'all can see a little bit more of me, y'all can see a little bit more of my creations, since I am fairly new to YouTube. But I will be posting this on Instagram as well. Not the video, but this look. Wow, that was easy. Okay. Alright, give me a second to get this other lash on. Alright guys, so we have our lashes on. It's looking amazing. So we're gonna get our face done real quick. And actually for this, I'm also gonna be using the Cover FX Enhancer Drops for my highlight in shade Celestial. And I use these for more glam looks because this is like very, very, very concentrated highlight. Like, this drop is gonna be so much. Now when I use these drops, I do them before I put my base on because, you know, they're super potent. I'm about to leave this look on all day because I'm loving it. Okay, and now I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light to medium with the powder. Obviously it's a little bit messed up. My dog chewed on it. But we're gonna get this, this shade right here. We're gonna go in with that right underneath. Okay, and now I'm gonna take this brush and use this shade to contour. I've got a big forehead, so I contour it quite a bit. But you don't have to contour your face that much. I'm trying to make this a very glam look, which is why I'm trying to go in really, really deep with this. And then we're gonna touch up with that same shade we put underneath our eyes earlier. This just helps to really define the contour you just placed. I used to not contour my nose at all, but it really does make a difference. And when you're doing photos for Instagram, if you don't have your nose contoured, the bridge of your nose kind of disappears, honestly. Okay, and we're gonna go back with Urban Decay Naked Illuminated Highlighter in Aura, and it is this beautiful sparkly highlight that I love to use. Okay guys, my camera had cut out, but I pretty much finished highlighting and just added on some lipstick, and I went with Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Kathryn, and I feel like it really pulled the look all together. It looks amazing, but we are done. So if y'all could hit the like and subscribe button and double click the subscribe button to get notifications for every time I post, I would really appreciate it. And go follow me on Instagram at mmichelle.mua. I will put that in the description. But thank you so much for joining me through this. I was really nervous to do an all yellow look, and it turned out way better than I could have expected it to. So let me give y'all some angles real quick.